In my previous video, I showed you people different types of platforms where you can earn money as a writer. Okay, and out of the five, I'm going to pick one among them, which is Meganovel, to teach you people how to start, how to create your account on Meganovel, and how to start your first story. Okay, and to get started, you simply open your browser, and when you open your browser, you type meganovel.com, okay, which is going to bring you to this page. And when you get to this page, the next thing you do is look over here. You're going to see login button, and if you look over here, you're also going to see other menus like create, but don't start from this place. Okay, the best place to start from is to create an account with them first. Okay, if not, if you try creating a post, they will still ask you to create an account with them first before you can be able to create anything. Now let's start from creating an account. Simply click on login, and when you click on login, it will bring this page, Meganovel your legend on clicks. Okay, and here they're going to ask to use Facebook to log in, to use Google to log in, okay, or continue with email address. But we don't have an account with them already. You are a new person to the platform, so you have to use the register button. Now click on register and it will bring you to this place. Now in this place, enter your email address. This is my own email address, and this is the email address I'll be making use of. So enter your own email address, and also enter a password which you can possibly remember. Okay, I'm going to enter my own password. Then when you get to this point, they will send you an email address to verify your account. To verify the email, you simply open this email in your phone. Okay, you open your email account and you see a message. They will send you a message. Click on the link. Okay, they will send a link which you will click, and after clicking it, it will show you verification successfully done. Okay, then you come back here and click on login, and when you click on login, now they will ask you to log in as a user because you now have an account with them. And to do that, this time we're going to use email. Okay, email address. Click on email address. Here you enter that your email. Okay, you enter your email and enter your password. Okay, now after entering your password, you click on login. Okay, you can see here login successful. Now I'm now a member. I now have an account with them. Now that we have an account with Meganovel, the next thing we do is to set up our profile. And to do that, look up here, you're going to see this. Hover on the profile icon, and when you do that, it will bring you to this page. Okay, it will bring you to this page, and if you scroll down here, you're going to see settings. Okay, click on settings. So from this page now, we have to set up our profile by first of all uploading our profile image. Simply click on upload, and when you click on upload, it will take you to your system or file manager. From here, this is the image I want to use, so I'm going to be selecting this image. Okay, you can see the image just appeared here. And then this one is a link your co-editor. You don't have co-editor, you are editing on your own. You can only do this if you have people writing for you. Okay, but if you don't have, forget about that. And the username, you can simply change this. I'm going to use wisdom. Okay, I'm going to use Wisdom Buchu, which is my name. You can use your own name. And then your pen name, here I'm going to also use Wisdom Buchu. This is my pen name. When we talk about pen name, it always appears as a watermark to anything you are writing in this platform. Okay, this shows the owner of the story. it was written by you as the author. So that's what pen name means. As for that, and then the ID, this one you can't edit it, it's already like that. Then the gender, I'm a male. If you're a lady, you select female. If you don't want to select any, you can select rather not say. But for me, I'm a male, so I'm going to select male. Okay, here they're going to okay, this is the email address. If you want to change your email address, you can change it. If not, you can leave it the way it is. And here they're going to ask you to write about you. Okay, you simply write some, give some informations about yourself and all of that, explaining yourself. Okay, then after that, you look down here, you see unsubscribe from all Meganovel emails. You can leave that if you want to be receiving email messages from Meganovel. But if you don't want to be receiving messages from Meganovel, you can tick it before saving. Okay, for me, I'm going to tick it because I don't want to be receiving email from them. Then after that, you click on save. Okay, to save your work. Okay, now that I've saved it, you can, if you look up here now, it's no longer empty. I now have a profile picture and other things. So now the next step now is to create my first story. That's interesting. And to do that, if you look up here, you're going to see this create. Okay, so it's not that we're going to be making use of this button because we now have an account with Mega Novel. So simply click on this, click on create, and when you click on create, it will bring you to this page, and this is where the whole thing gets started. Okay, from this place now, the first thing we have to do is to title our book. My own, I'm going to title it The Last of Them All. Okay, make sure you use an interesting name, a name that can attract people to the book. I can make people want to read more about the book. Now, the next thing is the language. It's already on English, so we don't need to change anything. Then the target audience. I'm going to select male because this story is going to be focusing on male. Now, what does this mean? Meganovel is asking which gender your story is mainly written to attract, not which gender is allowed to read it. So you can feel free to select any of them. And you cannot select both. So choose according to the type of story. Select male for action, system, billionaire, revenge, war, crime, adventure, fantasies, misery, and others for or a male main character rising from nothing. Okay, and select female for romance, marriage, betrayal, family drama, werewolf romance, or stories mainly focused on female leads, emotions, and relationship. Okay, and since this one is bearing the title is The Last of Them All, I'm going to select male because it is mainly going to be action, misery, fantasy, and something like that. So I'm going to select male. And then for this content rating, I'm going to select 18 plus because when you're writing about something that has to do with um, intimacy, violence, and all of that, you have to select this 18 plus. Don't select below this. Okay, you can read the warning that they're giving here. Now the novel type, we have two type of novel types: original and fan fiction. For the first one, the original means that the story belongs to you, and the fan fiction simply means that you are writing a story from an existing story, such as a movie. You want to write a story about an already existing movie. Okay, then you select fan fiction. But for me, I want to write a story about my life, so I'll be selecting original. Now in the genre, this is where you select the type of story you want to write. Okay, screw that. If it's about romance, you choose romance, werewolf, mafia, system, fantasy, urban, and others. For me, I need misery and thriller. I enjoy writing such stories. And then the tags, This place you are going to choose a tag. Okay, Meganovel will promote your books to future readers who share the same interests with you based on your choice of tags. Okay, I'm going to select misery. I'm going to select okay, nothing else here, then click on characters. Okay, here I'm going to look for what else to select, whatever that aligns with my story. Okay, I'm going to select it. I'm going to select arrogant. Okay, I'm going to select genius baby. I'm also going to select intelligent, and then what again. Okay, there's nothing more for here. And for settings, here I'm going to select the unfair age gap, alternative universe. Okay. Okay, I'm going to select this because this aligns with the story I want to write. Incredible son-in-law. No, I don't need that. What this? What this? What this? Okay, I think there's nothing more. Then remember, you must select from the three. You select from style, select from character, select from settings. Then after that, you click on OK. Then after that, you scroll down here. I'm going to select this first one, Mega Novel Writing Contest 2026. Okay, participate. These are the contests which I want to participate. You can see this one here. The maximum bonus of the winner is going to be up to $50,400 for the winner of this 2026 contest. So I'm going to mark it because I would like to contest with this my story. But if you don't want to contest, you can remove it. I don't think that this is a scam. You can actually win it if you're a good writer. You select this, this, and this. And this place is what called synopsis. When we talk about synopsis, what does synopsis really mean? Okay, synopsis is a short summary of your novel and it tells readers what the story is about without explaining every detail or giving away the ending. Okay, this is just a short intro about the novel which you want to write. Okay, which I'm going to type here. Okay, you're going to write a synopsis here, which is a short intro about your story. Okay, I'm going to type something like this. Okay, I'm done writing the intro of the story. Then after filling all these things, the next thing you do is to look over here the book cover. Okay, you can design a book cover for yourself. You can use ChatGPT to design a book cover for yourself. Okay, or you can check the recommended book covers, which I'm going to check. Click on recommended book covers. You're going to see a lot of recommended uh, book covers to choose the one you like. Okay. Just choose one, but if you don't like any of them, you can create your own. Okay, and if you want to create, I want to use ChatGPT to create my own. What you do is copy this. Okay, then go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a book cover for my Meganovel story. Okay, title is the last of them all. Okay, and then paste what you just copied. The cover size should be 600, 800. File format JPG, PNG. Okay, then send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to create a book cover for your story. So my people, ChatGPT have created a very nice and amazing book cover for me. So you can see the book cover here. What I'm going to do is to save the book cover, to first download it. Okay, download the book cover to my device. Now go back to your Meganovel. Okay, now instead of clicking on recommended book cover, I'm going to click on book cover on your device. Click on it and it will bring you to this place. Okay, you're going to select, click on select, or you can drag from this place and put here. Okay, but I don't want to do that so that you see how I did it. Click on select. Okay, and it will take you to your device file manager. Select the image which you want to use. You can see it here. Then click on OK. Okay, here you can see the book cover which I want to write, the last of them all. This is a very interesting title. Then after that, you scroll down and click on create. Okay, now we are done with the details of the story. It's now time to start writing, and this is the first chapter of the story. Here they are going to ask for chapter title, and I'm going to call it The Dawn. Okay, and then this is where you start writing the whole story. And remember, this page is made for one chapter. Okay, one chapter can be 600 to 1000 words. Okay, then you move to another chapter. Okay, you publish it, you move to another chapter. So and remember, this story is not just anyhow story. You must make sure that it's a very interesting story. So I've started writing my first story. I'm going to make it chapter 1. Okay, then I'll put something like this. Chapter 1, The Dawn. Now, if you read the story, you're going to see something like the first drum sounded before the sun appeared. Okay, because this I want it to be an ancient story. I don't want to use modern stuff to write this story. Okay, the first drum sounded before the sun appeared. Its deep voice traveled across the hills of Umeri, shaking the silence that had covered the ancient kingdom throughout the night. Boom! A long pause followed. Boom! Buchi opened his eyes. He remained still on the woven mat, listening as the second sound faded into the distance. And the walls of his small hut were dark, and the dying embers inside the clay fireplace gave only a weak red glow. So, this type of story, you don't start from once upon a time. You don't write that type of story here. Okay, not once upon a time story. So when you are done writing the first chapter, what you do is you can save. Okay, simply save it. Okay, you are done with the first chapter. Okay, which is it here, and then the second chapter, you write the second chapter. You can write it like this till you complete your story. Then after completing your story, then you can see them here. Okay, you can see them, the first chapter, the second chapter, and all of that. Then after when you are done writing the whole story, you can then go ahead to publish. Okay, I can't publish now because it's still not what I want. And that's how to start with Meganovel. I'm not going to continue with this because it's a lot of work. Okay, I will need to write a long story. I'm going to take my time to write the story, and maybe when I'm done writing, I'll make another video to show you guys how to apply for contract with this post. Okay, which the Meganovel team, they are going to review it, the details, they are going to review the story, and if they approve it, you start earning from your story. Okay, and for now, here is going to be the end of the video, and see you guys in my next video.